Wastewater and slurry are byproducts of mining processes in quarries, mines, and other working sites. The dehydration of slurry, with the consequent water recovery, reduces drastically the volumes to dispose of, thus cutting down costs and material, while complying with the current environmental regulations. With more than 2,500 plants installed since 2003 until today, and with factories and warehouses in Europe, Americas, and the Pacific area, Matec is the first 100% Italian company and the first worldwide player in the sector of water purification and filter press manufacturing. The staff of Matec count more than 80 people. This means guaranteed assistance and turnkey plants from the industry whose heart is still handcrafted and tailor-made. To satisfy the ever-increasing demands of the heavy-duty industry, Matec has developed the X Generation project. The new line of filter presses for the maximum productivity and the faster production cycles. The X Generation machines are the next evolution step of the high-performance Matec filter presses. They can work with feeding pressure up to 21 bar, HPT 21, for the best efficiency and unmatched results with difficult-to-treat slurry, such as clay, bentonite, or mining ones. The plant consists of a clarification system with static, deep cone, vertical thickener, or dynamic rake thickener, and a filtration system. The plant gives back clean water and mud cakes with low residual moisture. Thus, we recover over 90% of water and reduce the volume to dispose of by 80%. The water treatment starts with the collection of wastewater, for example the wastewater of an aggregate washing plant, or a mining exploitation, or a recycling one, which may be carried directly to the clarification system with static vertical or dynamic horizontal thickener. Both solutions use the solid-liquid separation through sedimentation, speeded up by a mix of flocculant and water prepared in the Bifloc plant. Thanks to the DOSON system, it is also possible to adjust automatically the flocculant to obtain the best result with the minor quantity. The mixture of flocculant is mixed with the material entering the thickener. Compared to the static vertical one, the dynamic horizontal rake has a rake bridge which rotates around its perimeter. This typology of thickener is preferable for the treatment of light material and great volumes. The clarified water overflows from the top of the thickener, and it is collected in a dedicated tank or pit. From here, they can be used again, for example in a washing plant. The mud which is thickened at the bottom of the thickener is sent to the mud homogenizing tank, BIFANG, to be kept at the right density before being pumped to the filter press when it is ready. Both the static and the dynamic Matec thickeners guarantee a high and unmatched concentration of solids, 1.4 to 1.6. The filter press consists of a framework and a filter pack, the true and authentic filtering element. A hydraulic power unit moves the 4 pistons of the X-generation filter press to close the filter pack, guaranteeing the perfect sealing. The mud is pumped from the homogenizing tank by a high-pressure HPT 21 bar triple-stage pump to the hermetically sealed chambers which are formed between the plates of the filter press. The X-generation filter presses, unlike most 4-piston traction machines currently on the market, exploit 100% of the entire cylinder volume, close the pack plates in a homogeneous way, and seal it hermetically. Thanks to the combined action of the filtering cloths and the pressure of the pump, the solid particles are kept by the cloths. On the contrary, the water goes through them and it is recovered by the drainage system on both sides of the filter press below the filter pack, so the water can be reused. Dehydrated mud cakes form in a very short time and present a very low residual moisture, ready to be discharged. The opening of the plates is done thanks to the new TT2 Fast system, which opens the plates 10 by 10. This technology allows us to reduce opening time from 15 to 20 minutes to 3 minutes, shortening the cycle time and increasing the productivity. The discharged cakes are collected below the filter press to be disposed of easily. Then the gasser shakers guarantee the perfect detachment of the cakes from the cloths by shaking the plates to eliminate eventual residues of the filtration still between the plates. A further device for the Matec filter presses is the automatic washing of plates. The washing consists of pumping clean water in the closed filter pack, or it is done by using the RoboWash, an optional accessory that can be integrated, which washes the cloths effectively, one by one. The washing of cloths and plates is an important process to extend the life of the filter press. The objective of Matec is the coexistence of nature and industry, which is possible thanks to eco-friendly production and installation processes that preserve the resources and the environment. Matec works with the bigger groups in the world in various sectors. The Matec products and plants for the wastewater treatment are designed by paying attention to the slightest detail to offer our customers the best result ever. Matec, we never stop.